Hello everyone and happy December. It is officially December 1st and I'm so excited. I love Christmas and we just decorated my parents' house for Christmas while I was there for Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna help decorate the office this week, so obviously I have to do my own house now. So I just put on my favorite coat ever. I call it my blanket jacket, but I do have my like Mickey Mouse little Christmas shirt on. And surrounded by Christmas stuff here. We have this like box of stuff. We got, hold on, where's our tree's here. The tree here. And then a bunch of other like lights and stuff back here. So it actually just started snowing a few minutes ago, which I'm very excited about. We're supposed to get like almost a foot of snow, if not more. Who knows? They always say how much we'll get and then we never actually get that amount, so we'll see. But we're supposed to get about a foot of snow here. But I'm gonna go put up the lights on the patio before we get too much snow, and then I can turn them on later. So let's go do that first. So the red set works, so this is good news. I thought the white set was longer, but the white set's pretty short with the white lights. So I think we're just gonna put red ones up and then see if we have space for white. We'll see. Alright, we got some lights up. I'm not really sure, I just kind of strung them around wherever they fit, so it's a little bit of a mess, but we have lights. Yay! And you can see the snow on the ground. So exciting! This is like our first real snowfall of the year. Okay, back inside from the lights. They look beautiful. They're a little messy, but that's okay. You can tell by my red nose I was just outside because it's a little chilly. Okay, this is the scene in my living room. Take a look. So, got the box of decorations. I've been that's Christmas, geez, Halloween stuff I took down. Lights I still need to put up. Ornaments. I have a ton of like gift wrappy type stuff, but you guys know I love this little thing. I need to change out my home sign to be the snowman. So we're saying goodbye to Mr. Turkey, and we're saying hello to our festive, cute little snowman, which is also very fitting for today with the snow. Okay, so I got this super cute sign at Target like a week or two ago. It says sleigh rides and old-fashioned hot cocoa. So I think I'm gonna put that up. I don't know where I want to put it actually. Ooh, you know what? Maybe by the TV. Is that gonna be distracting? I feel like that's distracting in front of the TV. Ooh, you know what? This would look cute over here. In our little window next to our South Carolina sign. Oh, how cute. Okay, cool. I'll put it there. Okay, so next I need to put these guys in the window. They're like suction cup hanging little lights, so we need to find a place for those. Alright, so we got the tree in the window right by our little home sign. And over here, oh no. Oh, what the heck? This must have like just fallen down. Well, anyways, we're supposed to have a cute little snowflake, but it doesn't want to stay up. Okay, so found a couple more bags of stuff. So first off, found the super cute pillow I got like 2 years ago, I think, at Target. It says, "'Tis the season to be merry." So that's definitely going on the couch. We have this it's a bit of a mess, but it says Merry Christmas, this banner. Then, over here, I have the sign I got last year, or maybe again it was 2 years ago, but from the Target dollar spot. It says, "Have yourself a merry little Christmas." So this is a bike, which is perfect, as you can see the bike's kind of in the background. We can go put that by the bikes and wish them a Merry Christmas. And then my mom got me these super cute little presents, and hopefully the batteries, yay, okay, they light up different colors. I don't know why they don't just light up white, but they're different colors, but they're very cute. So those will go out as well somewhere. Where is this? Oh yeah, and then I got this little plate says it's a salad plate, but I just use it as decoration. Okay, that's everything in that bag. Oh, these are all just like... So I have a problem. I keep buying cute like Christmas stuff like gift tags, and wrapping paper and boxes. And then like I only use a few a year. So I have a giant amount of labels and gift tags. So if anyone needs some, let me know. I got a bunch. What's next? Maybe the tree? Or maybe... I feel like I need to clean up. Alright, I'm gonna clean up a little bit and then the tree. Alrighty, now the most exciting part of Christmas is the tree. So I put a couple little decorations up. I honestly don't put much in the apartment. It's not like a ton of space. I already have a lot of stuff. But tree is the one thing I will never compromise on. I love having a Christmas tree. So I'm excited to get it put up. Alright, I just opened a box. We got, oh, this is our garland from last year. So this tree and everything in here like used to be in my parents' house and they got a new one. That's garland. Oh, we got the lights. Okay, colorful lights. Oops, that's okay. And then I don't remember how exactly this goes, but I think this goes on the, well, this definitely goes on the bottom. This is like the base. Okay, this thing says turn to lock and I turned it until it can't go anymore, so I think that's good. Okay, and then we have, what is this? Oh, this must go on the bottom. Okay, I think it's on. I'm hoping it's straight. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna start taking these out of the box. Okay, so all the branches are out. I just put them in piles based on their colors. And the very last thing in the box is the top of the tree. So, pretty sure this just stands. Does it lock? Oh yeah, here we go. Well, this is our tree, guys. Alright, it's time to put it together. Okay, Michael's busy for a little bit, so I'm gonna start fanning them out until it gets here. So I got a little light happy because now the top of the tree has no lights because it ends like right here because I put there's so many lights down here. It looks very nice. Like it really does, but we gotta fix this. The top of the tree is so sad. think the tree is looking pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. It's not super even, but that's okay. I'm gonna put all the little ornaments up. So I thought that I had a wreath, and after I'd taken everything down, I ended up finding it. It was at the top of the closet. So now we have to swap out our fall wreath for this Christmas wreath. My little baby fall wreath that I made one of my videos like last year. I don't know, it costs less than $5 and I think it's a cute little thing. The new wreath. Yay! Looks so festive. Alright, I'm currently making the ending to our perfect Christmas decorating day, and that is with some hot chocolate. I think the milk might be done. Just heating up some milk. Let's see if it's warm enough. Ooh, oh yeah. Oh, that's pretty warm, yeah. So I got my mug of milk. And then I made some homemade whipped cream, some heavy cream and sugar. And then I have some dark chocolate, hot chocolate, because it's definitely the way to go. Snow is really coming down now. You can see my lights. Trying to fix because there's a little more space in between the lights here than I'd like, rather than like down there it looks a little crowded. So, but I'm not fixing that now because of the snow. But we've got a few inches so far. Great night for hot chocolate and Christmas decorations. Now I'm watching Sugar Rush Christmas on Netflix. Thank you guys so much for following along today on my Christmas decoration. I love Christmas time, I really do. I'm so excited, and just the fact it's snowing right now. Made hot chocolate with the whipped cream. I'm watching Christmas shows, or Christmas related shows. I'm in my element. I'm feeling it. I'm so happy. I even put a little cozy sweater on. I'm really here for this. So thank you guys so much for following along. Hope you enjoyed a great start to your December, no matter where you are and what you celebrate. And I will try to do some more holiday videos this month because I love filming them and I just love the holidays. So overall, it's just a great time. I will see you guys soon. Bye!